I'm going to show you how to grow your hair thicker, faster, stronger with only 3 ingredients. And it works so well, you're going to be amazed how fast your hair is growing. Now it only takes these 2 ingredients because they're very powerful. We're going to use castor oil. That's the first ingredient. Why does castor oil work so well? It helps to increase the blood flow to your scalp. This is very important because once the blood flow slows down, you start to lose hair. You start to get graying of the hair. Your scalp becomes unhealthy. So this is very important for your hair. And by just doing this method, you can boost your hair growth up to 5 times the usual rate. So this is pretty fast. Castor oil is really great for moisturizing your hair. It does not matter what kind of hair type you have. It's really great for all types of hair. If you have an irritated scalp or have any kind of inflammation, it's excellent for your scalp. It's antibacterial and an antifungal, which means it also can help to get rid of any kind of dandruff. If you have damaged hair or you have a lot of frizz and dry ends, you can even use the castor oil even more on the ends of your hair or leave it in for like a leave-in conditioner to get rid of your split ends and frizz. It has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, and this is very important for helping to strengthen your hair, fight off those free radicals, and prevent graying of your hair. So it will help you not to get gray hair. It might even darken your hair color to give you a more richer, beautiful color. Another good thing about castor oil is that it not only grows your hair, but it helps to thicken your hair. So you'll notice that you will have more hairs coming and your hair will become thicker and more luscious, and this is very, very nice. And it doesn't matter your age, it'll continue to work. Our second ingredient is rosemary. We're going to use rosemary oil in this recipe, so make sure you get a really good quality rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is amazing. It's actually been proven to grow your hair. It's not just people saying it, it has factual evidence and support. It works even better than the traditional hair medicines that you can get to help to grow your hair. You can use this natural product, rosemary. So this is definitely amazing for your hair. It also helps to stimulate the circulation to your scalp. Rosemary has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, so it's great for your scalp. It helps to promote your nerve growth. It also helps to prevent premature graying and dandruff or any kind of scalp problems. So what's powerful about the rosemary being able to stimulate your nerve endings and rejuvenate them, this is where if you have no hair or you have bald spots, it will actually help to restore the hair growth pattern in that area. So this is amazing. So there's no doubt that castor oil and rosemary are essential for hair growth. These are an amazing combination. And what's really good is because the castor oil is so thick and the rosemary is so light, when you put them together, it makes the perfect consistency for putting on your hair. Coconut oil is also very amazing for your hair. It can strengthen your hair, it deeply moisturizes your hair, and it can help reduce breakage. It's really great at penetrating deep into the hair shaft to help it to be stronger and help it to grow longer. Now, before we get into the recipe, real quick, I wanted to just add a few things you can do to really boost up your hair growth if you want it to be even faster, even more amazing. So stress has an amazing effect on our body. It can just destroy our nutrients and any kind of benefits we're trying to do, it can just negate them. So try and reduce your stress as much as possible. And just that alone has been shown to help your hair growth. Watch your diet. Make sure you're not eating any kind of sugar and junk. Try and have a healthy foods, fruits, vegetables. Make that more a priority because your diet going in is going to show what's coming out. So that diet is supporting that hair growth even more than what you're applying to the hair. Make sure you do not color or bleach your hair at this time and try to avoid any kind of heat tools as these also cause damage and slow your progress. Okay, so the method is very easy. We're just going to take 2 teaspoons of castor oil and we're going to mix into that 20 drops of rosemary oil. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. You can just mix this in a small container and we're going to warm it up. You can warm it up in a double boiler on your stove. Now after you've warmed it up, you do not have to wet your hair. You can just leave it dry. Just part your hair and you're going to put it on your fingers, dip it into the bowl Rub it onto the scalp where you have parted your hair, and continue doing this all the way around your scalp. After it's all the way on your scalp, you can take the leftover and gently wipe it down your locks. And at the bottom, if you have a lot of split ends, you can apply extra on the bottom. It'll help to mend and make your split ends much healthier and healed, so it'll look much nicer. So you can put extra on the bottom. Now you can wrap your hair or just leave it, braid it, whatever you want. You're going to sleep with it overnight, so you want to cover your pillow with a towel so you don't get a mess. And in the morning, you can just wash it out with a light shampoo and a rinse. And you should have amazing hair already, because overnight you'll get some shininess, you'll get some more bounce in your hair. It should give you more luster, shine, and your scalp should also feel more healthy because it's repairing your scalp. It does a great job. You should notice results right away. As for hair growth, that depends on you, your diet, and it can do amazing things. So you'll either get 2 or 3 to 5 times your hair growth, depending on how well you take care of your diet, manage your stress, and how often you do this. 2 times a week should be enough. The most you can do every other day, but 2 times a week will still get you about the same results as doing it every other day. So 2 times a week is enough. Make sure you try this for at least 30 days. Come back and leave some comments below so everyone can see how well it works for you. You can do this forever, as it will help to nourish your hair, keep it from turning gray. It's excellent for your hair as a normal treatment that you do all the time. So you can keep doing this forever or a short period, whatever you like. So no worries about that. It doesn't do any harm. I can't wait to see everyone's results. So make sure you come back and leave some comments below how it worked for you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.